To create a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to create a chart from the quarterly sales data of the two companies shown on the screen. I first select the range A1 to E3, which contain the data and its titles. Second, I click the tab Insert. As you can see, there are several types of charts to choose from. Third, I select the chart type Line. Finally, I select the fourth chart from the first row. As a result, the chart is created. When we edit the data in the table, the chart will be updated automatically. For example, let's change the sales of quarter 1 of company 1 from 1,000 to 5,000. As you can see, the chart was automatically updated. To delete a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. To delete the chart on the screen, I first place the mouse cursor on a chart border. Notice that the mouse cursor changes to 4 black arrows. Second, I click the left button of the mouse. Finally, I press the delete key. As a result, the chart is deleted.